1927, Kool-Aid was created by Edwin Perkins, the owner of a perfume and calling card company.
Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, a 5-cent package makes 2 quarts of Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, 9 great flavors, the drink you love. Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid.
All of his experiments took place in his mother's kitchen in Hastings, Nebraska. Edwin came up with a liquid concentrate called Fruit Smack. To reduce shipping costs, Perkins discovered a way to remove the liquid from the Fruit Smack, leaving only a powder. This powder was named Kool-Aid.
Believe it or not, sliced bread was invented. By definition, sliced bread is a loaf of bread which has been pre-sliced and packaged for convenience. This came about in 1928.
The bread slicer was created by Otto Frederick Wallander in Iowa that could cut and wrap a loaf of bread successfully.
In 1929, Clarence Birdseye created one of the most popular inventions we use today, frozen food. Clarence Birdseye was originally a fur trader and interacted with the Indians. He watched their technique to preserve food in the Arctic and started his own company called Birdseye Seafood. It was used to preserve fruit from the summer's harvest for the winter along with seafood and meats.
Q-tips were invented by Leo Gerstenstang, first called Baby Gaze, and later changed the name. Leo used a piece of cotton wrapped around a toothpick. His wife used the makeshift Q-tips to clean their baby's ears. Later, the toothpick was replaced with white cardboard.
Earl Dickinson created the Band-Aid when he put a small piece of tape with gauze to bandage up his injured wife's hand. Dickinson originally worked in the factory of a medical company called Johnson & Johnson. Ironically, they loved his invention, known as the Band-Aid. The Band-Aid sales were slower than the company expected, so Johnson & Johnson gave unlimited numbers of free Band-Aids to Boy Scouts. Since Band-Aid's introduction, more than 120 billion have been sold worldwide. Today, over 4 billion bandages are made every year. Police officer William Potts of Detroit, Michigan, decided to do something about the problem caused by the ever-increasing number of automobiles on the streets. What he had in mind was figuring out a way to adapt railroad signals for street use. Potts used red, amber, and green railroad lights and about $37 worth of wire and electrical controls to make the world's first 4-way, 3-color traffic light. It was installed in 1920 on the corner of Woodward and Michigan Avenues in Detroit. In conclusion, we gained many inventions from the 1920s that we use in our day-to-day lives today, such as the Band-Aid, Q-tips, and traffic lights.